All right, hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we're here with the YTM200 that I just picked up. It's actually a YTM200E, the workhorse of the Yamaha three-wheelers. 1985, absolutely beautiful, love this thing. We got some surface rust, but that's the worst of it. It's all solid, all just a bit of surface. I got everything needed to try and restore all the rust. There is some kind of leak apparently within the engine here at one of the connection points. I'm not 100% sure. But the previous owner is the one who mentioned it and gave me a full gasket kit with the build. So pretty amazing. Oh Lord. Also got a free gun rack. And the only bit of metal that has to be replaced is from right here to right here. It's the only bit. Even the hitch back here, everything is beautiful. Yes, there's surface rust on the exhaust aftermarket, but that's all right. Still have the original toolbox. And everything on here is pretty much original from what I was told. Oh, yesterday while loading it into the van, I ended up hitting my knee very hard on the footrest, on the peg where you put your foot. And how do I do this? Oh Lord. There you go. And right here, I hit my knee right here, right on the bone, and I can barely move my leg. Last night I literally got stuck in bed, couldn't move, couldn't get up. Oh man. Now, right here, we've got this little wiring issue. I've already started before recording because I forgot to start recording. Sorry about that, but... Oh Lord. So, okay. Oh, that hurts. All right, so I'm not sure how to record this, really. Oh, Lord. So, what ended up happening, we've got this little piece here, and it's part of the fuse holder, but the problem is the battery sits right here. The battery fell out of the tray because there's no hook holding it in place anymore, and when it fell, it ripped all the wiring. Now, it seems like this is the only part that's actually ripped all the way through. So I'm hoping with this new fuse linkage, fuse holder, we'll be able to get some kind of power going and see if it'll start up here. Let me see if I can go get the tripod and set y'all up somewhere down here. What about... Could y'all, yeah, if I get the tripod, it might be able to sit somewhere around here. We'll be right back, everyone. All right, everyone, we're back. Let's see what we got here. Get this glove on. Get the battery out of the way. Oh, Lord. Okay. So, need to get this secondary connection. Yeah, you can see all that. Perfect. We need to get this secondary connection cut off of there. Oh, I'm gonna be slightly hard. I really can't sit down on the ground right now. That's hurting like crazy. Holy. Let's see. Come on. There you go. Got that stripped there. If I can just cut it at this point here, right at the edge. Perfect. Oh, I cut my glove. I just bought these gloves just for working on this and immediately fucking cut it. Nice. All right. I don't even know where that piece just went. Oh, there it is. There you go. Dang, man. There was only one or two little tiny wires that were still connected within the actual wiring of this original housing. That was pretty bad. Let's see. Okay, I'll just put that in my pocket so we don't lose it and it doesn't just end up in the ground somewhere. I don't know what this extra wrapping on these wires are from or for, but I'm gonna put it back on just to be safe. Now, strip a little bit more off this end here. Thank you all so much for tuning into this video. I hope you all have an amazing day and I hope you all enjoy it. This has been a long time in the coming, and I want to say that I also want to say I'm sorry for not uploading over the last week or so. After losing my apartment, I wasn't really doing well for the last week or so. Like, I had the Call of Duty recordings pre-recorded, so I uploaded them for y'all for the first week, but it was just, I couldn't do very much. I didn't sleep at all, and I just struggled and struggled. Damn it, I cut some of the wires. Shoot. Come on. This little piece of plastic right here won't cut. And yet it's cut the wires. This is fudging stupid. Literally just this tiny little piece right where the white is, the white strip, is the only thing connected still. The little white strip on this wire. Fudge. Oh my lord, I cannot slice this little bit of fucking plastic. Come on, man. Why won't it cut the plastic? It's cutting it's literally cut through the wire and it's still holding on to that little piece of fudging rubber. Fuck, man. What the hell? I just freaking got 3 other wires stripped in a matter of seconds before I turned on the camera I did all this in a matter of seconds. Didn't even think about picking up the camera yet. I completely forgot. And then once I start picking up the camera, apparently these things just stop working. These were actually my great-grandfather's. Or my grandfather or great-grandfather, one of them. Oh, on my stepdad's side. And when they passed away, they left it to my stepdad, and now I get to use them. Absolutely love it. Now, I'm gonna try and intermingle these little pieces here. Whoops. Just like I did for the motorcycle. And it seemed to work really well. So I just can't feel what I'm doing with these gloves. Come on, twist. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, Lord. How do I... I can't sit down properly, so it's, very difficult. Aha! It's somewhat twisted together. Not very well. No. Fudge, dude. I need slightly more. Oh, let's see if we can just get it connected on this end. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. Just like that. That's what I was looking for. More of it twisted up together. Perfect. It might not be perfect. I don't know. I'm not a professional electrician, but that's literally, I'm happy with that. When I did that for the bike electrical, it worked really well. So let's just strip a little bit more plastic or rubber or whatever it's technically, whatever it is here, off this wire. Oh, for Lord's sakes, man, this thing is... Oh. Part of the issue is you can't really turn the wire how you want it to go. inside of the grips, because with the gloves, the wire just slips in my hands, making it extremely difficult to hold on to. Oh, wrong one there. It's almost cut there. I can't. Oh, man. It's all chewed up, but it's just not cutting. Oh, damn it, glove. Get out of there. I keep getting my glove. It's completely together. Come on. Let's see. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Oh, a tiny little bit there is still connected. I have a knife here. This might actually work a bit easier with a knife. There you go. Got that detached there. Pull this fudging piece off of there. With this one, maybe? With the... Oh, grab the slightly bigger size. No. Let's just go with it. Fuck, man. It just keeps getting my glove. Oh, there you go. I'm very bad with this. My glove is destroyed already. All worth it. All worth it, 100%. Hopefully you're all enjoying this. I've dreamed of making these kind of videos, working on stuff like this. And the goal is to get it going, and then we'll be able to make videos of us using it for yard work. Ooh, helping my parents out. And maybe sell it, make some money, and then get another one. I have no idea. We'll see how that goes. All right, we got that connected there. Obviously, this wire here is supposed to go in here where at the top here. Let's see if I take it off the tripod for a second. This is supposed to fit in here, but it's just here for the time being. I would unconnect the latch there and put it through. Now, I'm not quite sure what else there is to do at this point. I fixed the wiring. Technically, that's all I'm pretty sure there is to do. So let's just see if it can get it connected, I guess. See if it starts. How do we even get the battery in the right place to get this connected? It's not the right battery for the machine. This is the battery I use for the motorcycle. There you go. Now, I'm not sure. He did say this is most likely going to need a carburetor cleaning. Oh, and as far as I can see, the fuel line isn't even connected to the carburetor right now, to the tank. So, but the fuel valve isn't stuck. It's working. Just this line is not running all the way to it. I'm not really sure why. It seems like it's been pushed on to onto the carburetor a lot, and it's missing that same amount of distance over here. So, shoot, I might have to go get a fuel line. I'm not really sure. It's a plastic fuel line, but that is stuck on there. Well, we'll see what happens with power though anyways. See if it turns over. Get any lights going or anything. That would be nice. Let's see here. Yeah, I definitely got to take off the gloves. Oh, man. I hate this battery and its bolts. Man, it's so stupid. There's a little hole under the nut, and so the nut falls on an angle, and then the screw won't go into it. I don't know who designed it, but they should be fired. Honestly. There's zero freaking... This could have been done so much simpler. Oh, man. Oh, well. There we go. Positive and negative. Oh, there you go. A bit of a tight squeeze. Well, we got her. There you go. Oh, come on. Yeah. Let's see here. Come on. Almost fully can't get it screwed down there. Just everything is pulling on it. There you go. Okay, we got that connected. The wires are connected. Unless there's another issue, we should have some kind of power. Let's see what happens here. No power. Shoot.